this is a reminder for you parents out there, moms, dads, if you are killing it and you just flow with everything, you're getting stuff done, and you know you're killing it, acknowledge that and tap yourself on the back. Good fucking job. Love you. Jordy pottied twice at school today, so I just wanted to say hi and congratulate him because I'm so proud of him. Jordan! Hi! Jordan! Jordan, you pottied in school? Oh my god, these guys are so cute. Hello! Jordy, you pottied? You pottied? Yeah. You did? I'm so proud of you, Jordan. Oh, she got new clothes! Oh my god, you should see her outfit. I got her a few new things. So I am in Miami today and I am just getting a laser treatment done at Sev Laser in Miami. They are a new spot here and they invited me to come and get some parts of my body lasered in exchange for some IG stories and posts and stuff, so let's see. Gonna walk in. Hi. How are you? Are you okay with being on video? Yeah, it's totally fine. I'm Patricia. I think I spoke to you a bunch of times, right? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. So pretty. How cute. Your hair looks so cute. Thank you. I just did it like 3 weeks ago. Really? Yeah, and it's so much easier because my hair was like super long and dark and it was like always just in a bun.
Yeah, I love it. Do you have your ID today?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, so I'm gonna let her know you're ready. Okay. And then she'll give you a FaceTime and we can bring you in the bathroom because they do ask some personal questions.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Alright, so I'm laying on the treatment bed. I am lasering some areas of my body and this is my first time ever doing it. I'm excited. I've always wanted to try but I've never had the chance to.
So when you come in for your treatment, you always want to shave the areas that are going to be lasered 24 to 48 hours before the treatment, okay?
Okay.
That allows just a little bit of hair on top of the skin for the laser to hold on to. You don't want to shave the same day because that's already a form of exfoliation.
Okay.
And then we're lasering and applying heat, so you don't want to do it the same day.
I see. Okay.
And see just a couple hairs right here, so I'm just going to get them.
I don't really have much hair to begin with that grows there for some reason. It just stopped growing. Feels really good. It's like cold air blowing, but it feels good. Sunblock. So I have shorts on today and you cannot have sun exposure on your legs after the laser treatment, but you should be putting on sunblock every day anyway. All over.
And you might want to let your viewers know the best thing to do when you're getting your legs lasered is to wear a long sundress.
Okay.
And that way, it's easy access and there's not going to be that risk of sun exposure.
Okay, I love that. I love that tip. So a long sundress is something loose fitting and something that will cover you up after the treatment. All done here. That was so good. It was so quick. I love when a service is like super quick and they're so nice here. I'm gonna make my next appointment. I need 6 sessions here at least. So I'm done with that. So that was a great session. I am gonna go home now. It is 11 a.m. So that still leaves me 3 hours. It'll take me about an hour to get back home, but I have a few more things I'd like to do today, so we'll go straight home to my office. So today I'm just opening up packages and such. So I will do that in this corner of the room right now. I love this oil, thank you. I'm actually almost out of it. I've been using it so ritually. Love it. Thank you, Manyo. Beautiful. I also wanted to open this up. It's from Iris and Romeo.
If I'll ever figure out where the road goes.
Cute.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on pushing for my heights.
5-in-1 skincare, dewy coverage, broad spectrum, SPF 25. Okay, I'll try it. Your 1-step AM routine. Are you serious? 1 step? 1 step, you guys. We went from 10-step to 5-step to 1 step. Let's see. I will try this weekend. Wow. Jordan, Ariel, cheese. Cheese, Jordan. I love you. So I decided to bring them to the park today after pickup. I'm gonna let them play at this park. I love this park in our neighborhood. What'd you find there? Acorn. An acorn? Let's see. You wanna climb that? You wanna climb that, baby? Okay, let's climb that, okay? Love you guys.
You always tend to drive me crazy.
So this is my favorite park in Weston. I remember 2 years ago we came to visit Weston and we were looking at houses, and this was the park that we brought Ariel to play in, and I fell in love with this park. I'm like, super mom vibes here. I have the dinner set up already, rice, and then I have the table set so that as soon as I come home, ready to just eat, feed the kids, I am going to pick up Tyler and Raya. So it is 5:45. Tyler gets out of jiu-jitsu, Raya gets picked up. So I have the dinner all set up. It took me exactly 40 minutes to cook, not bad. I'm killing it, man. This is a reminder for you parents out there, moms, dads, if you are killing it and you just flow with everything, you're getting stuff done, and you know you're killing it, acknowledge that and tap yourself on the back. Good fucking job. Love you. Ariel is picked up and now we are going to go get Jordan. OOTD. Ariel, say hi. Tired. You're tired. Hi, Jordan. Hi, baby. Hi, sweet. We're gonna go to the playground. I love you. Bye. Let's go. Bye. Let's go. Hello. It is Thursday afternoon. I needed some body care today, some rest, so I have my sauna bed out by Higher Dose and I'm just taking a break. Did a bunch of things this morning work-wise, but I needed my body to relax a little bit, my neck to release, and so I wanted to lay in my sauna bed and then do a little gua sha on my body afterwards. I have to leave for Ariel in like 30 minutes, so it has to be super quick, but I definitely want to shower because I am sweating underneath this. I was like all the way in here earlier and it's super hot in here. One of my favorite self-care things to do. Yeah, thank you. Coffee, ice cream.
Thank you, Papa. When you're a skeleton, that means you're dead.
Yes, yes, definitely. So So we are just walking around. I just had ice cream, the kids have lollipops, and we are just hanging out. We had an early dinner, so we were able to come out. You guys are matching.
And I'm matching Mom.
Yeah.
So cute. My OOTD. Cheese, baby, cheese.
If you got something on your mind,
Oh, baby, careful, sweetie. I love you. I washed my hair today. It's a little bit frizzy, but I didn't want to dry it too much, so I'm air drying. Jordan just woke up from his nap, but we are on the way to go apple picking. There's a place near our house, and I wanted to take the kids to some kind of apple picking or pumpkins patch. OOTD with Ariel. And then the biggest one is with his friends. The littlest one is with her grandma. Jordy, you like it here? What is that?
Alright, let's go look at other pumpkins.
A little sunny, but we are on the hayride. Jordy, you good? Wow, good job, baby. Wow, good job, baby. She said that's why they had carrots. I thought they were trying to feed us. It was for the cows. You thought that was for us? That was fun.
I never fed cows before.
You never fed cows before?
No.
You fed a giraffe before?
Yep.
Yeah.
What else have you fed?
Only a giraffe.
We are at Cracker Barrel and I am looking forward to eating breakfast. I love having breakfast for dinner. I haven't done that in a long time. We are on the way to a birthday party for Ariel's friend from school, and I got ready so fast. I got ready in like 15 minutes. Ariel got ready in like 15 minutes. It's going to be a little bit late, but on the way there now. That's pretty. Ooh, pretty. Baby, you had so much fun.
And playing with rainbow toys. I loved it.
You see the fire? Hi, Jordy.
Hey, this place looks good.
It does look good. Are you cold? Hi, Raya. Hi, Mommy. We are at Hibachi.
Jordan.
Loves rice. And Raya is here. Hi, Raya. Hi, baby.
Thank you so much.
Happy Monday. I just dropped off the kids and I'm getting ready to drop all of the vlog content for this week into my folder for editing. But before that, I wanted to leave you with a little lesson that came up for me that I wanted to share with you. It's definitely something that I've been practicing over the years, but I feel like this is something that I didn't always know, and so maybe it may help you in any given situation. So I wanted to speak on it, and it is about speaking up. So we'll start with an affirmation. Inhale and exhale. I speak up. And it's a super simple affirmation, but may sometimes feel difficult to speak up on things that feel uncomfortable. Maybe you don't want to ruffle any feathers, you don't want to offend, but it's super important, if you feel it in your gut, to take that intuitive feeling and speak on whatever the situation is, because A, you don't want it to fester and manifest into something else in your body. You don't want to block your throat chakra. You always want to speak up on matters that feel important. Also, B is, if you don't speak on it, the situation is going to repeat itself. Maybe it's a different person, maybe it's the same person that comes back over and over again. aka like an adult bully or someone that just takes advantage and thinks that they can do it again and again. Maybe it's not even intentional for that person and they're not even aware of it. So it is your duty to make them aware so that they know maybe that they need a self-correction. Also, it's not okay to do that with you. It's just about setting boundaries and respecting yourself and loving yourself. It's really an act of self-love to speak up. You know, also along the way, people may try to gaslight you and tell you that you're rude. It's unnecessary, but as long as you're keeping it 100% just like calm and you're not speaking out of like explosive anger or frustration, as long as it's not like an outburst of anger, you're just stating the situation, you're saying it's not okay, you're letting the person know that you're aware, you're 100% aware of what's happening, and that's how you go about it. So I just wanted to speak on that and let you know, like, being spiritual is not about keeping quiet. Being spiritual is just, you define what spirituality is. I'm not going to say what it is for you, but being spiritual does not mean that you have to stay quiet, and it's important to give yourself that self-love. So that's what I wanted to leave you with today, and for this vlog, lots of love and light. Thanks for watching.